All right, when I move under this sound, I'm going to say it. So listen to me. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. Ah. Yay, good job, Mrs. Williams. Do it again, Miss Williams. Get ready. Ah. All right, now it's your turn. Say it just like that. Get ready. Nice job saying ah. Quick reminder, don't start saying the sound until the hand is underneath it. Okay, try it again. Get ready. Good job saying ah. And it's really important you hold the sound the whole time. Well done. Okay, we're going to do the activity where you look at the picture and you're going to do the same thing that the picture's showing when my hand is under it. So right now your hand should be in your lap. And then when I move the hand under the picture, one of your hands should be on top of your head. You're going to hold it there until the hand comes back. All right, so here we go. Get ready. Good. Do it again. Nice job. All right, this time we have two pictures. Your hand should be in your lap. When I move my hand under this picture, you put your hand on top of your head. Hold it there until I move my hand to the next picture, and then that same hand is now the fingers touching the ear. Hold that until I move my hand back here to the first dot, and then put your hand back in your lap. Let's try it out. Get ready. Nice job. Do it again. Get ready. Yes, you did very, very well. All right, some of these shown here are ah, and some of them are not ah. You're going to tell me what each item is. So I'm going to put my finger here. You're thinking, which means you're saying this sound in your head. Think. Get ready. Good job saying ah. We found one. All right, next, think. Get ready. Well done. Ah. We found another one. Okay, think. Get ready. Good. Tree. All right, think. Get ready. Yes. Ah. There was another one. All right, last one. Think. Get ready. Yes, this is a boy. Good job finding the ah today.